You already know Four Seasons for our outstanding service and installation of new heating and cooling systems, but did you know that we also offer a wide variety of accessories and services geared towards maximizing your indoor air quality and reducing your energy bills? During peak seasons, we keep our windows shut, causing the same indoor air to repeatedly circulate throughout our home. This results in air that is on average 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. The EPCO UV germicidal light will destroy mold, allergens, and other irritants in as little as 24 hours, leaving up to 99% cleaner air in your home. Do you have pets, constantly cleaning excessive dust, allergies, asthma, or other respiratory problems? If you do, we can help you with that. Let the NATCA certified duct cleaning specialist from Four Seasons remove up to 99.97% of dirt, dust, and debris from your ventilation system. Our 3-stage HEPA filtration and powerful vacuum system work in tandem to ensure the removal of all airborne contaminants and improve your air quality for years to come. Still looking to improve air quality? Look no further. Lennox Healthy Climate Air Cleaners work with your heating and cooling systems to provide even more options to rid your home of unwanted indoor air pollutants. Not only do these products provide unmatched filtration, but they can also help prolong the life of your heating and cooling system by protecting it from buildup. Four Seasons can also put the moisture back in the air with the help of a whole house humidifier. Low humidity levels can cause cracked skin, static electricity, sore throats, and hardwood damage. A more comfortable environment can be achieved by one easy addition to your home comfort system. Get full control of all of this plus more with Wi-Fi smart thermostats, providing 24-hour access to your thermostat via your web browser, tablet, or smartphone wherever you are. At work, out to dinner, on vacation and concerned about extreme weather back home? No worries, Four Seasons has got you covered. Set the temperature, maintenance reminders, be notified of an issue, request service, and most importantly, save money. Backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee and an A+ BBB rating, you can be rest assured of a job done right. Whatever your indoor air quality needs, Four Seasons is there to help. Have any questions regarding any of these products or services, or just want to hear more? Talk to your comfort specialist for more details.